Wait, can I smoke too? This is my grandmother's like traditional Argentinian sauce recipe.
The struggle.
That's good.
It's
This is how you grate a carrot like a professional chef.
guys.
Someone's getting stressed. You can't smell this, but it smells really, really good. How do you think it's going? Who do you think's gonna win?
Justin seems a bit stressed.
Do I?
Yeah.
You're being too
Was it
cool, being too
Pippa?
cool. Like, say when I
Pippa seems very relaxed. She's having a little snack. Very tranquilo. Can we go back to the bruschetta? I love this.
Not stressed about the time at all.
You roll it into like a little cigar, and then you work your way through the basil. And then when you finish, you get these beautiful little ribbons left over. Can I use some of this? Yeah. The knife. I'm trying to stack.
How are we going, team? You done?
I'm just waiting for my pasta to finish.
3 minutes. Finished?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Step away from your stations. Step away from the stations.
That was good.
I think that they're both gonna be fucking amazing, so I'm waiting for the taste test.
How far are you out?
Who do you think's gonna win?
I don't know.
But who do you secretly think's gonna win, Kim?
That's going to win.
Well, we got one biased judge over here.
Oh! We got the first one.
chickpeas, blended with onion and garlic, salt and oregano.
Alright, so.
Oh! Muy rico. Muchas gracias.
An Argentinian tomato sauce. We started with basically onions and carrots and garlic that were reduced together with butter. And then I added some diced tomatoes that I blended in a blender.